your name? My name is Divani. Which class are you studying? I am studying LKG. How old are you? I am 4 years old. Do you like your school?
Yes, I
Yes, I love my school. What is your favorite